Morning to all of you. Today I am going to solve some questions of exercise 1.3. Now question number 6 of exercise 1.3 is look at the several examples of the rational numbers in the form of p by q, where p and q are integers with no common factors other than 1 and having terminating decimal. Two things is you have to mind here, having terminating decimal. So we have to take some examples. We have to take some examples of rational number and which are terminating decimals. On the basis of these two, we have to know what the denominators of these. On the basis of these examples, we have to know about the properties of the denominators. Now, on solving this, take solution of question number 8. Solution. Take, this is 6. Solution, take 1 by 2, 7 by 8, 17 by 20 and 9 by 25. Taking these are the take these rational numbers and what this rational number, if it is terminating or not terminating. If terminating, so what type of properties this denominator have, we have to see here. Now 1 by 2 can be written in the form of 2 into 5 into 5 also. The value, if we multiply by 5 and divide by 5, the value will be same. This will give 5 by 10. And this value is, that is 0.5. 1 by 2. Here 1 by 2 is 0.5 and this is terminating. Now taking example 7 by 8 is equal to 7 by 2 into 2 into 2 is equal to 7 by, we can multiply at 7 by 8 अपन 40. You have to multiply this by 8. This is equal to 7 by 2 to the power 2 into 2 into 2 is equal to 7 by 2 to the power 3. When it is multiplied by 5 to the power 3 and 5 to the power 3, the value will be same, and this is equal to 7 into 5 into 5 into 5 by into 5 to the power 3 is equal to 10 to the power 3 is equal to 875 by 1000 is equal to 0.875. This is terminating. Taking this, now 17 by 20 is equal to 70 is equal to 17 by 2 into 2 into 5 into 5. Multiply 5 by 5 and divide by 5. It will be 85 by 100. This is equal to 0.85. This is also terminating. So taking these examples, and 9 by 25, 9 by 25 is equal to 9 by 5 into 5 is equal to 9 into 5 to the power 2 into multiply it by 2 to the power 2 and 2 to the power 2, the value will be same, that is 9 into 4 by 5 into 2 to the power 2, this is equal to 36 by 10 to the power 2 is equal to 36 by 100 is equal to 0.36. See here, 1 by 2, if denominator is 2, it is terminating. See here also, if denominator is having this as a factor 2, this is terminating. This is terminating. This denominator, if denominator have 2 and 5, these two, it gives also the terminating. Now, if denominator is only 5, it also gives the terminating value. So, on the basis of these examples, if 2 is a factor, it is terminating. If 2 is a factor, it is terminating. If now here, if 2 and 5 are factors, it is terminating. Here, if only 5 is factor, it is terminating. So these examples shows that if the denominator have 2 and 5 are both as a factor, the value will be terminating. From these examples, the above examples we see that if denominators have 2, 5 are both as they are factors, then that rational number have terminating, that numbers have terminating decimals. Question number 8. Find the 3 different irrational. We have to find irrational. These are rationals. In between 2 these rational, we have to find 3 irrational. So this value is equal to this. This 5 by 7 is equal to this, and this 9 by 11 is equal to this. Undividing 5 by 7, you will find this, and undividing 9 by 11, you will find this. So these 2 values. So I have to select 3 irrational numbers in between 2. So irrational means they are non-repeating, non-terminating and non-repeating. Both. So see here, this value 0.7. If you take 2 here, if you take 2 here, this will be greater than this total value, because the second place is 2. Here second place is 1, so it is greater. So we can make this in the form of 0.2, 002, 0002, 0, 0, 0, 2. This is in increasing orders. We can make, taking 2, we can make, you can to put here 2, 6, any numbers, 6, 6, 6, 6, 5, 5, 5, any numbers. So this is the, this value is not terminating and not repeating. So this is irrational. This is greater than this. Taking this, if 1 here is 1, if you put here 0, that value will be less than this value. Means if there is 8 and we put in place of 1 0, it will be less than this. So I can make this value in this way: 8 0 8 0 0 8 0 0 0 8 0 0 0 0 8 in increasing orders, but it is not terminating and not repeating. So this is irrational. This is also irrational, and this value is greater than 2, this value, and less than this. This value is also less than this and greater than this. We can choose any number in between 2. If 0.75050 0500005 00005 and so on. So we can take any value greater to this and less to this. We can make on non-repeating and non-terminating. So these are the examples. These are the answers of classify the following numbers as rational or irrational. These are the numbers we have to choose which is the rational or which is the irrational. Now with this, we take this. This is not a perfect square. Not a perfect square. It is not a perfect square. So it is irrational. It is not perfect square. This is perfect square. Perfect square. Its root is 15. So this value 2 to 5 is equal to 15. This is the rational. So this is rational. This value is terminating decimal. So it is rational. And this is non-terminating but repeating. This is repeating but not terminating. It is not terminating but repeating. So it is rational. This value is not terminating and not repeating. So it is irrational. Thank you.